Okay, I want to show you how to prepare your file to upload it to Lead Squeezers. There's a couple options. The first option that I'm going to share with you is if you're providing us a Google Sheets link because you're ordering Facebook leads. This is a sample of a file, this Facebook leads here. And many of you are providing a file that looks a lot like this. You'll have a column for notes, right? Well, here's the easiest and cleanest way to do it. Simply highlight the column, left click, then do a right click, and it'll pop up this menu. What you want to do is hit insert one left. Basically what that's going to do is that will insert a blank column into the spreadsheet. Now in this column, let's just go ahead and give it a title of status. And what you're doing is you're letting us know what the status of that lead is. Is it a lead, somebody you haven't been able to get a hold of? Is it somebody that you met with and wanted to think about it? Or is it somebody that you sold? So in here, you can say think about it. You can type lead, and it's real simple to go through here. You can see how I'm doing this real quickly. And sold, lead, and think about it, right? So I won't go all the way down. You get the idea there. And then you don't have to sort it. What we'll do is we will go ahead, and if your spreadsheet or your Google Sheets is labeled with lead, sold, or think about it, and instead of sold, you can put customer if you want. It doesn't matter. Just be consistent. Either use customer or use sold. Either way, we'll get the idea. And then we will go ahead and sort the campaign for you, and we'll parse it out, and we'll make sure that your sold or your customers, they get into the customer retention campaign, right? And your leads, they go into the lead campaign, and your think about it's going to think about it's. So that's how you'll do that. Now, as far as anything else that you need to do, you don't have to color code it. This one happened to be color coded. We don't need color coding. There's nothing else you need to do with your spreadsheet or your Google Sheet. We don't care what position the columns are in. So that's fine. We'll go ahead and grab the data we need for your campaign. You know, part of the service that we do is doing a lot of this work for you so that you don't have to. Now, here is what is really important though, because some agents, they have copy and pasted or merged multiple files together. So what you want to make sure, if you're going to do that, which is fine, just make sure that all the data in the column is consistent. And where we see the biggest challenge is, for example, phone number. You'll have some phone numbers and then they didn't copy and paste, and also in the same phone number column, you might have the favorite hobby or color, right? And this is what it would look like. Let me just grab and copy this here to show you what I'm talking about. Here's what we see. All right. So we're pretty smart. We like our system. But this is really makes it challenging here, and it's not clean data. So if you could do us a favor to make sure that in each column, your first name, it's all first name, last names, phone numbers, that all the data is consistent. That will definitely help us out and make things go a little smoother. But as far as preparing the file, again, we don't care how the order of the columns. It doesn't matter for us. All we need to know is it a think about it, is it a lead, or is it a customer or somebody you sold? And then we'll go ahead and sort it from there. And that's using the Google Sheets. Now, the same concept when it comes to a regular Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file. Exact same thing, right? We just need to know. So that's option one. Option two, if you have a lot of data or contacts from various lead sources, it might be better and cleaner and easier for everyone if you just create a separate file. So you have all your customers, your existing customers, in one file, and it doesn't matter what lead sources those are from. All we know is they've been sold, they're a customer, and you want to put them on a client retention campaign. Then you have a separate file for internet leads that could be separate from your Facebook leads, right? Because oftentimes an internet lead does not have a favorite color or hobby. Now, our campaigns, in some of the emails, we use that favorite color or hobby. Again, we're trying to keep that lead fresh for you, right? So we want to use that to help refresh their memory. And so if you have that available, we definitely want to use it. But anyway, that's how you prepare the file to send to us. It can be a Google Sheets, it can be an Excel, or it can be a CSV, which is a comma separated value file. More information than what you need to know. Just know when you upload it using the upload link, we take everything from there and we do all our WYSIWYG stuff with the data and try and make it easy for you. Okay, hope that helps and have an awesome day.